How to unlock your Facebook account if it is locked. You want to open up your browser and search for Facebook Help Center in your browser. Once you search for it, click on Help Center, the first option. It'll open up your Facebook app and take you to the Help Center automatically. And inside of the Help Center, you want to click on the search button at the top. And over here, you want to write your problem down. Like, my Facebook account is locked. Once you search for this problem, you want to click on the option called My Personal Facebook Account is Suspended or Disabled. Click on it. And inside of here, in blue color, you will see Log into Facebook. You want to click on that. And it'll take you to your Facebook login page from where you guys can log in into your account and reactivate your account by sending a code to your phone number or email to reactivate your Facebook account and log in into it. My account is already unlocked, so I cannot show you that process. But if yours is locked, it's going to take you to another page. So enter your password and information correctly from there, okay? Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel.